Things have changed in the crypto space, and in my opinion, they have changed for the better, right? So there are so many people in the trenches that just don't know how to hold their bikes, right? Now the game has changed, guys, right? And I'll tell you why the game has changed, because on new creations, everybody's trading with multi-wallet. Everybody who's half decent trading is trading with multi-wallet. But that puts a gap on newer traders, because if you don't have a lot of money, you're going to struggle, because you've got, whales in there. Let's say you've got 5-10 whales that are going to multi-wallet 3% supply. So you go bam, bam, bam. That's 30% of the supply that's already off the market. So instantly in one click, people can nuke charts to basically zero. So you're really going to struggle on new creations right now, guys, unless you start to hold your bags longer term, okay? Unless you start to hold your bags longer term, you're going to struggle with these things. So I will say it again, guys, look for low market cap coins or coins that you believe in on Jupiter or even on Bonk, and just join the fucking courts and get back to how crypto used to be, because that's how you're going to make money nowadays. You're going to struggle to trench how people used to trench. Most of the big trenchers, they don't even trench anymore, right? Loads of them have moved on to the larger caps, okay? Especially if you look at tokens like MemeCoin, right? People will see MemeCoin's gone absolutely crazy. There's actually other coins I want to talk about as well. It's called like just a MemeCoin. I think it's like 40 million or something ridiculous. There's also Troll. Okay, you can see Troll's at 38 million. Okay, you have plenty of time to accumulate Troll if you was bullish on it. Okay, it's gone from what? 60 million to all-time high. Okay, you have other tokens like Annie. Annie is still going right now. It's at 45 million. Okay, this thing was down here at like, I seen out 4 million, even 300K. Okay, and the list goes on of decent tokens which you can accumulate. And a lot of them are going to start to look like useless. I think useless put pretty much the nail in the coffin for a lot of traders, including myself, right? We've seen this thing live stream bonding at 300K and nobody's held. Do you know how crazy it is? We get thousands of viewers. We have 10,000 people in Telegram. Nobody held this thing all the way, right? So that means there's a lot of other people that haven't as well. There's a lot of other people that maybe sold 10 grand, 5 grand, 15 grand, and they could have had $500,000, okay? Useless has set the blueprint for this, up and to the fucking right, okay? So that's my bet. My bet is, okay, to change the way we start looking at these tokens. New creations are fun. I'm still going to continue live streaming and trading new creations, but I'm telling you guys right now that in my opinion, the best way of trading is to catch these breakouts on these longer coins right now and just start holding the bag. Okay, and that's coming from me. You're coming from Mr. I don't buy shit above 100K market cap, right? Now I'm holding the bags on these coins, chat. I'm holding the bags on these coins. Okay, so to conclude, right? Number one, I think that Jupiter is going to do very, very well. I think that Jupiter coin is going to outperform the market. When it does, it's going to drag the market share of all the major tokens, all the major memes up with it. Okay, and it's probably going to start comparing with the top market shares on Pump Fund. Okay, I also think that the main thing to look for right now is holding the bag on a lot of coins and also trading on GMGN. You can actually see that is very good, especially if you want to be trading on, BNB trenches, as well as jump into Solana trenches as well. And I also think that joining these communities is very, very good. So a lot of people are going to say, Taro, well, okay, how do I join these communities? Well, all you have to do is go over to drip.ag. Okay, you can actually see a difference between today's runners, token performers, and new tokens right here. And then what you want to do is you want to go over to the Twitter page of these tokens, click the Twitter, okay? And then from here, you want to start actually joining the communities. Okay, you want to start actually joining the communities of these tokens. Now, if you go to my communities tab right here, my communities are always maxed out. I join literally every community that I can. I regularly post inside these communities. I think that right now, people are so fucking lazy when it comes to wanting to make money. We are literally sat down doing nothing, and you can't make a tweet, but you want to get rich. I think it's absolutely diabolical that some people think that they can do it. I don't know what it is. I don't know, why people think that just drawing lines is going to make them become successful. But that's not how it is in the meme coins. Meme coins are like macro Ponzi. You have to buy a coin and you have to sell other people on why they should be in the coin as well, right? So they either do that on what? A movement, a mission, or a vision. They either do it on, obviously, or on price action, or on the meme if it's funny as well, okay? That's your job. Find a coin that has those things and then go ahead and shill it to other people so they join it too. And when so many people do it, it's a compound interest, and then boom, all of a sudden the coin's at $1 billion, right? That's how it works with SPX. What's the mission vision? Flip the stock market. What's Murad doing? He bought a fat ass bag. He's got like 3% supply. He's like, guys, we're all gonna flip the stock market. Next, everybody else thinks they're flipping the stock market, and now some people are buying a coin at fucking $2. $2 a coin, right? There's levels to this thing, guys. Any coin can do it. Priceless. What's the narrative? Community is priceless, right? Simple as that. The bigger the community gets, the more priceless the token gets. Okay? Everybody right now, if you're watching this and you want to become successful, find these coins, stick with it, and just tweet. If the coin goes to 0, who gives a shit? At least you tried. Better than getting rugged by Cupsy on new creations, by DV, by whoever these people always complain about inside of my Telegram, right? Better that, okay? And those guys will probably invest in good coins. Everybody wants to make money at the end of the day, but you have the advantage because you work for your back. So I thought I'd do that quick market update, okay, and explain to you guys those type of things. Hopefully that inspires you to actually go out, work for your bags, and you understand the new stage of the cycle. I explained that Jupiter is going to do these types of things, literally every single one of these coins, to make sure to do your own due diligence. And also like and subscribe to this channel if you do.